Hi everyone, it's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a really fun Christmas haul with you guys and share a little bit about what I got myself for Christmas this year to celebrate. Now, I don't like, I buy myself so much stuff throughout the year. I don't like to put pressure on, my husband, my family, anything for gifts like that. We normally keep it smaller and more personal, but for myself I thought it would be fun to do a little collective haul of goodies that I bought myself to treat myself over the holiday season. And so I thought I would share it with you guys, either for ideas or inspiration, or just because I think some of these things are going to be frequently featured or frequently used throughout the year. So the first thing that I did for myself, which I am so excited about, I replaced all of my everyday t-shirts, did a full refresh. This is one of the ones that I got from The Great. I'm also wearing one that I got from James Pierce. Super soft, made in the USA. The Great ones, they have this really nice, it's like a single stitch detail at the bottom instead of like the traditional double stitch t-shirt thing. I just feel like it wears well, it looks better. These are really cute. I took this in a size 3 and then I took the James Pierce in a size 4, and it's like small, medium, large numbers. I don't know what you call that sizing, but I just felt like excuse me, my everyday t-shirts were like not cutting it or kind of looking a little worse for wear. And so one of the ways of treating myself, I thought it'd be just really great to get like fully refreshed. It actually feels really good. It's a little bit of an investment to buy like 3 or 4. Well, I bought 7 total at a time, which is kind of an investment, but it's really nice having them like all reset at the same time. It just feels really good. So did that for myself. The next thing that I got is a little bit more like cheap and cheerful. This is the like viral collagen mask that has been all over TikTok. So I'm excited to try this. I want to try it before the new year. I have a little bit of time off work, so I want to take some time. This is the one where you like put it on and it starts white and then it turns clear, and it's supposed to be like make you super glowy, give the glass skin effect. And so this was like not that expensive. This is 4 masks. It was just available from Amazon. So I'll try that out. This next item I picked up from a Black Friday sale. This is the Wella Ultimate Repair Leave-In Treatment. Oh. So I had heard really good things about this. There's this influencer that I follow on TikTok called Audrey Peters, TikTok RIP, that swears by this. Let me just smell it and see. Okay, smells very fresh, but over the winter season, your hair just feels like a little bit more crunchy, not as fresh and clean as it does sometimes, I feel like in the summer. I don't know, something about the dry air in the winter. And so this intensively strengthens and repairs long-lasting smoothness and manageability. So that was a good one. This was on super sale for Black Friday. I think normally this is like a little bit on the expensive side, but I got it for like 40% off. So excited to try that one. This next, I've been dying to try this. This is the Bianco latte perfume. It's kind of viral on TikTok, and it is just like a super sugary, sweet kind of smell. Like, yeah, it's like sugar cookie type smell. Super sweet, super, here, because I'm already wearing a scent right now. I don't want to put it on. Yeah, like vanilla, caramel, cookie. Just like really gourmand, sweet, playful, kind of innocent scent. And I also feel like lots of people say that this one's good for layering. I've been into more gourmand and sweet-smelling perfumes recently, and so this one I was excited to pick up. It was about €100. I got it from the Jovoy website, so that's a fun one. And then finally, oh no, 2 more items. This last This one I had seen online, and I actually, okay, you know what it is. I regret not getting two because actually the color is really good. I didn't expect this color to be this good. Sometimes I feel like Hermes pinks, I don't know, just they aren't all, this has like 5 different pink tones in it, and I don't know if you can see with the lighting. This is the yummy ice cream print. Funny ice cream print, sorry. And so the background color is like a peachy color, but I really like this cool toned kind of purpley pink that's mixed in. So I'm gonna find a way to try and like, I don't know, it's almost like a rose sakura more in the background, but this is like mauve pale, or no, not mauve pale. It'll come to me. The same color as my Pegasus charm, but I feel like it's getting blown out by the light here. Anyway, it's really cute, really sweet. I think it'll look great on my gray pale Birkin or on my Rosette Kelly. So since I have one, probably better for the Kelly, but I think I could put this on the front and then something else on the back. I just really liked how pink it was, but I feel like it's not showing up very well. It's looking more orange on the camera. Okay, and then last, this was kind of an unexpected purchase the other day, but I was like, no, this is perfect, and I could use the excuse of Christmas to treat myself to these. Not that I needed new shoes, but wait till you see these. They are a puffy, creamy suede and pearl camellia flip-flop. So darling. So sweet. Perfect for the spring, for vacay. I'm definitely gonna Scotch guard these. I feel like these would be really good if you were like having a bridal moment this summer too. But also just, I mean, white flowers, can't go wrong. I just thought they were so sweet. They also come in pink, but I thought the white was like more easy to style, more neutral. So they have the little CC stud here and then the pearl, and they're just like so puffy and yummy. Like delish. Delish. So cute. Anyway, so that is my little cumulative Christmas haul. I think it's important, just as important, you know, when you're giving gifts, to receive gifts and also to gift yourself, which I do all year round, but you know, the holidays are a fun excuse to give yourself another extra little treat. So I thought this was just a fun little collective haul for the season. Let me know which item you liked the most. I feel like a lot of people are gonna really enjoy these flip-flops, but also this twilly, if only it showed up a little bit more true to color. I wonder if like with a black background, oh, that is a little bit better. It's not as blown out. Okay, anyway, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you're all having a great day. Okay, bye.